Welcome to the Chapter 8 SuiteCRM training video. The video offers a deep dive into GuestPostCRM, or GPC, the most advanced and intelligent CRM automation system. Today's training session focuses on understanding GuestPostCRM and how it combines AI, automation, email intelligence, financial workflows, rule engines, and security systems. So, let's get learning. First, let us understand what GuestPostCRM is. GuestPostCRM is an AI-powered CRM platform, which is specifically designed for guest posting agencies, link-building businesses, outreach teams, SEO operations, marketplace workflows. The main aim of the platform is to reduce manual effort through intelligent automation. In GuestPostCRM, one of the main concepts is the rule system. The platform operates using deterministic rules, which control how the emails, records, deals, reminders, invoices, and workflow behave. The dashboard rule displays offer deals, orders, invoices, and reminders, only for records related to the current context. The reply rule features a window, which is controlled by a date-time filter. The previous next rule states that the navigation is bounded by sections. Replied messages navigate within replied and unreplied messages within unreplied. First reply rule states that the GuestPostCRM never sets the first reply flag until it is actually sent. The recent rule displays every meaningful user action into a unified recent feed, with complete activity type filtering. Defaulter rule automatically flags customers with payment irregularities. Thread rule ensures that every message with a thread ID is stored in the email threads module. Now, let's move towards the email intelligence system. It is among the most powerful components in GuestPostCRM. Email intelligence automatically classifies emails, detects spam, creates contacts, generates AI summaries, detects offers, creates deals, schedules replies. The workflow of the email intelligence system can be explained using the following processes. New inbound email arrives, which gets classified as brand or non-brand. The inbound emails are also checked for spam thresholds. Next, the mail is assigned to the correct timeline via email address to match or new contact creation. In this step, the first reply rule checks if the flag is already set. If not, it schedules an automated reply. At the next step, the artificial intelligence summarizes the email body and extracts key information, like motive, type, category, deal context, and website information. If the tool detects any offer or deal, the email is converted into structured CRM business workflows. Finally, the reply has been sent. Along with this, the last activity by, and last activity date sections are also updated. GuestPostCRM also features Email Permanent Sync, an advanced permanent sync mechanism. This ensures data consistency and prevents missing communication records. Now, let's move to Order and Deal Engine. This is the financial core of GuestPostCRM, which manages deals, order pricing, link tracking, marketplace workflows, and financial validations. The order rule cannot be generated randomly. The deal rule dictates that every deal has an expiry date, and no order can be created without an active deal. The marketplace rule separately handles marketplace orders. The order price rule is partially automated. All pricing updates automatically synchronize with PayPal totals. And finally, the order accept score receives an acceptance score before approval. The AI and automation services of GuestPostCRM run 11 live automation services constantly. These include services like spam filtering, duplicate detection, offer detection, deal detection, invoice automation, and reminder scheduling, among others. The AI and automation services include Prompt Rule, which detects every AI prompt and includes detailed business context, like customer motive, current deals, offer status, traffic level, and financial amounts. The platform also features AI and payment automation, through which GuestPostCRM automates the financial workflows. The system automatically generates invoice records, adds order line items, calculates totals, and syncs payment details. GuestPostCRM supports multiple payment methods like PayPal, which is the default invoicing method. Apart from this, the platform also supports Payoneer, Wise, UPI, and bank transfer. The platform ensures quick payment notifications when the payment is received, The system also updates customer balance, creates ledger entries, improves trust scores, and alerts financial teams. The trust score system of GuestPostCRM maintains an internal trust score, which improves when the payments are made on time and orders are completed regularly. The score decreases when the payments are delayed or the orders are canceled. The security and reliability system of GuestPostCRM uses various advanced security tools to keep the data safe. The API tokens protect the platform from unauthorized access. IP binding allows only approved machines or servers to communicate with the system. Error classification acts like an intelligent monitoring and diagnostic layer. Restore Systems helps recover from any critical failure situation. Scheduler Controls uses a UI dashboard to control all cron jobs. With this, the GuestPostCRM training video comes to an end. In this video, we have learned how GuestPostCRM is different from traditional CRM platforms. We have also learned how GuestPostCRM is demonstrating the growth of the CRM system from a simple database into a more intelligent operational ecosystem. We have also understood different systems and tools of GuestPostCRM and how the system combines AI, automation, rule engines, financial workflows, email intelligence, and security systems to create a fully automated guest posting and outreach management ecosystem. In the next video, we will dive deeper into the developer side of SuiteCRM and explore custom code architecture, one of the most important topics in CRM customization. Chapter 9 focuses on understanding how SuiteCRM organizes its code bases and how developers can safely build custom functionality without modifying core files. See you in the next video.